Hello everyone, this is Farouk and I'm with Thomas from Golden Ray. Hey Thomas, great to have you with us.
Hi Farooq, thanks for having me.
Amazing. Thomas, as I catch you here, I would like to ask you about the acquisition and retention processes. So let's start with acquisition. Usually iGaming operators, they put a lot of attention in acquisition, but sometimes we notice that they forget about optimizing the processes. So can you tell us about some maybe recommendations, tips about optimizing the acquisition process for iGaming operators?
We at Golden Whale, we are providing a machine learning infrastructure. So we help operators with machine learning from day one, from the acquisition towards retention and also churn prevention. And if we talk specifically about user acquisition, if you have a very high accurate forecast about the player after he registered with very limited of data, like even on day one, that helps a lot to focus where to put this player. Put him maybe in a VIP campaign or another journey that you've already prepared. And that's something where we see extremely high value for a lot of operators in different markets to really have this very fast and very accurate prediction about a new registered player, because only with that prediction, they can treat him differently. And then you can also understand from that acquisition channel, maybe to put more focus on, to put more budget on, and maybe reduce the budget from another channel that doesn't show the good predictions for their portfolio they offer.
Absolutely. So it's all about optimizing actually those funnels that you're talking about. And I would like to ask you about the retention part of this, because this is something that we notice in iGaming space. Operators, sometimes they don't really put that much attention. So how can you help with the retention part of the whole funnel and maybe using machine learning as you were saying about it? So please tell us about this and tell your tips for iGaming operators.
Sure. We see a lot of companies with their retention and CRM teams. They build many journeys, hundreds of journeys. If the customer does this and that, what is the automated action? So they call it then automation, but somebody created a rule before. So that's maybe semi-automated. And with machine learning, you could even put this on a higher level. So if you get a good forecast of the player in real time, maybe even in the session, so I'm not talking about daily, so even in real time in a game session, this user is maybe about to churn, you can react in real time to the player, even if there maybe is not a journey built for that specific case. But if the machine is allowed maybe to trigger sending a pop-up or giving a bonus or just displaying a message, then this is really a different level of automation that you could achieve by getting use of machine learning. And that's how we help our partners.
All right, so it's not only optimizing the funnels, but also understanding the next step, the next move a player may take, right? Yeah. So you can understand this using machine learning, and at the end of the day that you can reach the full optimization in all those cycles. Thank you so much for joining our conversation. I'll see you around. Cheers.
Yeah, see you around. Thanks. Bye-bye.